Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use the eraser tool on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your document, and for the sake of this tutorial let me add a shape like a rectangle, and let us remove parts of that rectangle or object here. Using the eraser tool, you'll find it here on the left toolbar. Let me find it. There it is, just above the connector tool. Click into it with your left mouse and choose your mode in the top left. Like, for example, you can delete objects just by clicking into them. So in that case, use that option here, delete object touched by eraser, for instance. Or you may go with this option here that is going to apply a brush for the given eraser, and you may use it, for instance, to draw, or I don't know which term to use here. So as if you were drawing, for example. So use that eraser tool and remove parts of the given shape. And as you can see, it doesn't work with images. I don't know why, but it does work for drawings and also for objects. And there's also the third option, clip from objects, if you like. So you can use that one as well. And that's basically it. Here to the right, you can adjust the caps, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.